Hello everyone, welcome back to a new class. Today in this class, we are going to solve some questions from Maths Class 9, Chapter number 1, Exercise number 1.5. Here question number 1 says that classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. That means here we have given some numbers and we have to classify these numbers are rational or irrational. So first here Roman number 1, the number given here 2 minus root over 5. Since we know that root over 5 is irrational number, so therefore 2 minus root over 5 it will make irrational, that is irrational number. Next, Roman number 2 here within bracket 3 plus root over 23 and outside of bracket minus root over 23. If we remove first bracket sign, then we get 3 plus root over 23 minus root over 23. So plus root over 23 and minus root over 23 are cancelled. Then we have only 3 here, 3 here. So it is rational number. We can write it 3 by 1 because denominator is always 1. So this number is rational. Next, 2 into root over 7 divided by 7 into root over 7. So we can cancel this root over 7 from both numerator and denominator. Then we have 2 by 7. And our 2 by 7 is rational. Next, Roman number 4, here 1 by root over 2. Since root over 2 is irrational, so 1 by root over 2 will make irrational number. Next, Roman number 5 here, 2 pi. Since pi is a irrational number, so therefore 2 pi it will make irrational number. Our next question is question number 2. Here question says that simplify each of the following expressions. A Roman number 1 given 3 plus root over 3 whole into 2 plus root over 2. So let us solve Roman number 1. Here question is 3 plus root over 3 whole into 2 plus root over 2. First we remove the bracket sign. Then we have to multiply this 2 plus root over 2 by 3 and again 2 plus root over 2 by plus root over 3. So if we remove this bracket sign, then we get 3 whole into 2 plus root over 2 plus again by root over 3 we have to multiply this one. They are equal. Now we remove this bracket sign. So 3 will be multiplied with this 2. Then 2 3s are 6. Plus 3 will be multiplied with root over 2 plus this 2 will be multiplied by root over 3, so 2 into root over 3 plus this root over 2 will be multiplied by root over 3, so root over 3 into root over 2. They are equal 6 plus 3 root over 2 plus 2 root over 3 plus, in this case we can write, we can take a single root over and under root over we multiply these two numbers. They are equal 6 plus 3 root over 2 plus 2 root over 3 plus root over 3 to the 6. Next our Roman number 2, here 3 plus root over 3 whole into 3 minus root over 3. So to solve this, to simplify this expression, we have a formula. Formula is that if an expression is of the form a plus b whole into a minus b, then we can write it a square minus b square. So it is in the formula a plus b whole into a minus b. Here a is 3 and b is root over 3. So we can write it a square minus b square form. So therefore this implies a means 3 square minus b means root over 3 square. So 3 square will give 9 minus square and root cancel, then we have here 3. So 9 minus 3 will be 6. Next, Roman number 3, here given root over 5 plus root over 2 whole square. It is in another formula. The formula is that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write this one like a square plus 2ab plus b square. A means root over 5 and b means root over 2. So a square means root over 5 square plus 2 into a means root over 5 into b means root over 2 plus b square means root over 2 square. They are equal. This square and root will be cancelled. Then we have here 5 plus 2 into, we can write these 2 under single root over. So 5 and 2 will be multiplied under the root over plus square and root cancelled. So we have here 2. Next, 5 plus 2 into root over 5 to the 10 plus 2. So this 5 and this 2 will be added. So 5 plus 2 will be 7 plus 2 root over 10. Next, Roman number 4, here root over 5 minus root over 2 whole into root over 5 plus root over 2. So it is in the formula a plus b whole into a minus b. I have already given the formula. So we can write it a square minus b square. A means root over 5, a square minus b means root over 2, so b square. Square and root will be cancelled, then we have here 5 minus square and root will be cancelled, so we have here 2. So 5 minus 2 will be 3.